Welcome back, year 3 and 4. So this is day 2 of our continuation on money. Now, today we are going to look at some reasoning problems using what we understand about money so far. So here's my first little challenge. I've got Grace, Polly and Finn, and they have each told me a statement about how they have spent their money recently, and we've got to work out which little bubble connects to their spending. So Grace says, I spent between £5 and £6 over the weekend. So she spent between £5 and £6, okay, over the weekend. We've got to try and figure out which bubble applies to her. So it says £1.80 in this bubble, £2.56 in this bubble. So we're using mental math strategies, a lot like yesterday, to help us figure out what amount was spent here. So £1.80, we know it's going to be £1.80. Okay, then we're going to add on our £2 to make £2.80. And now we need to add on our 56 pence, okay? So you might want to partition first. We can add on the 50 pence first, remembering to count up in 5 groups of 10. So £2.80 in our heads, get ready. Counting up in tens 5 times, £2.90, £3, £3.10, £3.20, £3.30. Okay, so we've got £3.30. And then we can finally add on the 6 pence very quickly in our heads to make £3 and 36. Okay? So she said that she spent between £5 and £6. So do you think that bubble applies to her? Because the person who, this is their spending bubble, they only spent £3.36. So we know that bubble A is not connected to Grace's spending. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to you to do. Your screen on your PDF looks like this. Okay, so you can see again, that's Grace's statement. And then you've got all of the different bubbles, all of the different amounts, okay? So you need to add them up to figure out if it applies to her or not. Okay, you need to add them up. Then you can come back for the answers, okay, which you will also find on your PDF. So actually you won't need to come back, you'll see the answers on your PDF on the next page, but you can come back to the tutorial to have a look at what you're going to do in order to work out the amounts in each bubble. Okay, so just to reiterate, you are using mental strategies to add up the amounts. So for the second bubble, £3 in your head, and you've got 19 pence, so £3.19, which you're then going to round up to make £3.20, just like we practiced yesterday, okay? That way it's easy to add on £2.75. So you would add on your £2, which would give you £5.20. And then you would add on, you can partition that, remember, into your tens and your ones. So you can add on your 70 pence. We can do this again together now, year 3s especially. Okay, so £5.20 in your head, and we're counting on 7 lots of 10. £5.30, do this with me. £5.40, £5.50, £5.60, £5.70, £5.80, £5.90, that's 7 lots of 10s to make £5.90. And then you're going to finally add on your 5 pence, okay? So remember we partitioned into 10s and 1s. Add on your 5 pence to give you a total of £5.95. So either Grace, Polly or Finn, okay, spent she said. £5. She spent between £5 and £6. Okay? And this bubble gives us a total of £5.95. So we can see that actually bubble B applies to Grace. Okay, so I've actually given you the answer for number 1. Alright, so it's over to you to have a look at the final bubble using the same strategy. Okay, using the strength. Oh, I've just made a mistake here. I've just remembered because we added 1 pence on to make £3.20. We remember to take that away at the end. So Grace actually spent £5.94. All right, but it still applies to her because £5.94 is between £5 and £6. Okay, so her bubble is in fact B. What is Polly's? What is Finn's? Over to you, and then look at the next page of your PDF to correct your answers. All the best.